Today's Percheron Bourbon, Shire Distilling Company. My name is Jake Clements, founder of the Texas Whiskey Festival. Shire was founded in 2017 by a father-son team, George Dyer and Tim Raines. They are located in Houston, and I met them for the first time, I want to say 2021, because they did their first festival in 2022. And damn, that was a hot year. If I can help it, we will never do another festival in May. And for everybody that was there, thank y'all for coming, and I'm sorry for the heat. So, again, the distillery is located in Houston, and this particular bourbon is finished with French oak staves. It is 92 proof, and my particular bottle that I have in my hand is an older release. Or by older, I mean it was one of the first things that they released. They have a straight version out that you can get. They also have a cask strength version from time to time that they release at the distillery. It is 75-21-4, so 75% corn, 21% rye, and 4% malted barley. It is made grain to glass at their distillery. Brown sugar, vanilla. The French oak adds some honey, a little spice. You also get some of the spice from the rye. Silky mouthfeel, texture, vanilla, honey, some baking spice. Finish doesn't linger too long, leaves kind of a creamy, sweet spice there at the end. The Shire is also a part of the Texas Whiskey Association and Texas Whiskey Trail. And you'll notice on their bottles, they do have the little thing that says certified Texas whiskey on there, which tells you that it was made grain to glass at their distillery. If you tried it, let me know what you think. If you found any of this helpful, please subscribe. Till next time, cheers.